Remember when your grandparents talked about the good old days? Well, those days are making a comeback. Many things that boomers loved are suddenly cool again, and it's creating an interesting mix of old and new in our daily lives. You might think younger generations are changing everything, but that's not entirely true. Millennials and Gen Z are actually bringing back many boomer favorites. Sure, they might add their own twist here and there, but many classics are returning in their original form. These comebacks are drenched in nostalgia and timeless charm, appealing to people of all ages. In this video, we'll take a fun trip down memory lane and look at 20 boomer favorites that are suddenly trendy again. We'll see how these old-school items and activities are finding new life in today's world, and why they're resonating with people across generations. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Vinyl records. Vinyl records are back and bigger than ever. These large black discs that your parents or grandparents used to play are now outselling CDs. In 2023, people bought 41 million vinyl records in the US, compared to just 33 million CDs. Music lovers are rediscovering the warm, rich sound of vinyl and enjoying the whole experience of carefully placing a record on the turntable. It's not just about the music, it's about the ritual, the album artwork, and the connection to musical history. Number 2. Drive-in movies. Drive-in theaters, once a staple of entertainment in the 1950s and 60s, are popping up all over again. People are falling in love with the idea of watching movies under the stars, right next to their cars. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern convenience, offering a unique way to enjoy films while maintaining social distance. Families and couples alike are packing up their cars with snacks and blankets for a night out that feels both retro and fresh. Number 3. Classic cars. Old cars are revving up interest among all age groups. These vintage vehicles are more than just collectibles. They're rolling pieces of history that capture the imagination. Young people are discovering the thrill of restoring and driving these classic machines. Car shows are drawing bigger crowds, and restoration projects are becoming popular hobbies. It's not just about owning a piece of the past, it's about experiencing the freedom and style of a bygone era. Number 4. S&H green stamps. S&H green stamps, once a staple of shopping rewards, are making an unexpected return. These little green stamps that shoppers used to collect and redeem for goods are finding new life in our digital age. People are rediscovering the joy of tangible rewards in a world dominated by screens and virtual points. It's a throwback to a time when saving up for something special was a hands-on experience, bringing a sense of anticipation and achievement to everyday shopping. Number 5. Polaroid cameras. People are falling in love with the idea of holding a physical photo moments after taking it. It's like Instagram, but with a tangible result you can pin to your wall or share with friends. The Polaroid industry is projected to grow at a rate of 3.6% from 2023 to 2030, reflecting this renewed interest. The imperfections and unique quality of each shot add to the charm, making every picture feel special and one of a kind. Number 6. Home gardening. More people are rolling up their sleeves and getting their hands dirty in the garden. Growing vegetables and herbs at home is seeing a huge resurgence, echoing the days when boomers valued self-sufficiency and fresh, homegrown produce. It's not just about saving money or eating healthier, it's about connecting with nature, understanding where food comes from, and enjoying the satisfaction of nurturing something in life. Balconies, backyards, and community plots are transforming into green havens of tomatoes, herbs, and flowers. Number 7. Classic board games. Board games are having a major moment. Families and friends are rediscovering the joy of gathering around a table for some screen-free entertainment. Games like Monopoly, Scrabble, and Clue are flying off the shelves, with board game sales jumping up by 28% in 2020 alone. These games offer a chance to disconnect digital devices and connect with each other, fostering conversation, friendly competition, and lots of laughter. It's a return to simpler times when entertainment was about being present and engaged with the people around you. Number 8. Retro fashion. Fashion of the 1960s and 70s is strutting back into style. Young people are embracing bell-bottoms and other groovy looks that might remind you of your youth. This revival isn't just about copying old styles, it's about mixing vintage pieces with modern trends to create something fresh and unique. Thrift stores are treasure troves for fashion-forward individuals looking to stand out the crowd. It's a colorful, expressive way of dressing that celebrates individuality and breaks away cookie-cutter fashion. Number 9. Houseplants. Just like in the 1970s, people are filling their homes with plants again. It's all about adding some green to your space and creating a connection with nature, even if you live in the heart of a busy city. Snake plants, pothos, and fiddle leaf figs are becoming as common in living rooms as TVs. This trend goes beyond just decoration. It's about improving air quality, reducing stress, and creating a calm, nurturing environment at home. Plant parenthood is becoming a point of pride for many, with social media feeds full of lush, green interiors. Number 10. Jigsaw puzzles. Jigsaw puzzles are back on kitchen tables everywhere. These simple yet engaging activities are providing a much-needed break in the fast-paced digital world. Families and friends are gathering around intricate landscapes and challenging images, working together to create something beautiful. It's a way to slow down, focus, and spend quality time together, just like in the old days. Puzzles offer a sense of accomplishment and a peaceful way to pass the time, making them perfect for lazy weekends or quiet evenings at home. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 11. Tie-dye. Tie-dye is making a vibrant comeback, bringing with it a wave of nostalgia and free-spirited style. This colorful technique is popping up everywhere, clothing to home decor. People of all ages are embracing the bold, swirling patterns that were once a hallmark of the 1960s counterculture. DIY tie-dye kits are flying off the shelves as folks discover the joy of creating their own unique designs. It's not just about looking good. Tie-dyeing has become a fun, creative activity for families and friends to enjoy together, resulting in one-of-a-kind pieces that tell a story. Number 12. DIY home projects. The do-it-yourself spirit is alive and well, with more people than ever tackling home projects on their own. This resurgence of DIY culture echoes the resourcefulness of the boomer generation. Homeowners are painting walls, building furniture, and even tackling minor plumbing jobs with gusto. Online tutorials and home improvement shows are inspiring people to pick up tools and transform their living spaces. It's about more than just saving money. DIY projects offer a sense of accomplishment and allow for personal expression in home decor. Number 13. Classic cocktails. Old-school drinks are shaking things up in bars and home kitchens alike. Cocktails like martinis, old-fashioned, and Manhattans are back in the spotlight, with bartenders and home mixologists rediscovering these timeless recipes. People are appreciating the craftsmanship and flavors of these classic drinks, moving away trendy concoctions toward tried-and-true favorites. Cocktail hours at home have become popular again, with friends gathering to sip these sophisticated beverages and enjoy good conversation. It's a return to a more elegant, refined drinking culture that values quality over quantity. Number 14. Nostalgic TV shows. Television networks are bringing back old favorites, much to the delight of viewers young and old. Reboots and remakes of classic shows are popping up everywhere, offering a fresh take on beloved stories. These revivals allow boomers to relive cherished memories while introducing younger audiences to timeless characters and plotlines. Shows like The Wonder Years and Cobra Kai are bridging generational gaps, sparking conversations between parents and kids about the way things used to be. This trend is proving that good storytelling never goes out of style. Number 15. Outdoor activities. Hiking, camping, and fishing are seeing a huge surge in popularity as people rediscover the joys of the great outdoors. These activities, once staples of boomer recreation, are attracting a new generation of nature enthusiasts. State parks and campgrounds are busier than ever, with families and friends seeking refuge in nature's beauty. People are investing in quality outdoor gear and learning essential wilderness skills. This return to outdoor pursuits is not just about fun, it's about disconnecting technology, reconnecting with nature, and finding peace in the simplicity of the wild. Number 16. Classic literature. Books authors like Hemingway, Fitzgerald, and Austen are finding their way into the hands of new readers. These timeless stories are resonating with young people who are discovering the depth and richness of classic literature. Book clubs focusing on the classics are popping up in living rooms and online forums. Readers are finding that these old tales still have plenty to say about the human condition, love, and society. The renewed interest in classic literature is proving that good writing transcends time, offering insights that are as relevant today as they were decades ago. Number 17. Gardening clubs. Community gardens and gardening clubs are blooming all over, bringing neighbors together over a shared love of plants. These groups offer a space for people to learn about horticulture, share tips, and grow fresh produce. It's a return to the kind of community-building activities that were popular in boomer days. Gardening clubs are not just about plants, they're about fostering friendships, beautifying neighborhoods, and promoting sustainable living. Members often share their harvests, organize plant swaps, and work on community beautification projects, creating a sense of shared purpose and accomplishment. Number 18. Nostalgic toys. Toys from the boomer era are making a big comeback, delighting kids and adults alike. Classics like Lego, Barbie, and Slinky are as popular as ever, with companies updating these beloved toys for a new generation. Parents and grandparents are introducing their favorite childhood toys to the little ones in their lives, creating a bridge between generations. These toys are more than just playthings. They're sparking imagination, encouraging hands-on play, and offering break screens and digital entertainment. The enduring appeal of these classic toys proves that some forms of fun never go out of style. Number 19. Macrame. Macrame, the art of decorative knotting, is once again adorning homes across the country. This crafty technique, popular in the 1970s, is experiencing a renaissance as people rediscover the joy of creating handmade decor. Macrame plant hangers, wall hangings, and even clothing accessories are popping up in trendy boutiques and DIY blogs. Crafters are putting modern spins on traditional patterns, using new materials and color combinations. The resurgence of macrame speaks to a desire for unique, handcrafted items in a world of mass-produced goods. It's a relaxing hobby that allows for personal expression and creativity. Number 20. Fanny packs. Once considered a fashion faux pas, fanny packs, now often called belt bags, are strutting back into style. These practical pouches are being embraced both for their utility and as a fashion statement. Designers are reimagining fanny packs in sleek leather, bold patterns, and high-tech materials, making them appealing to a wide range of people. They're showing up on runways, at music festivals, and in everyday streetwear. The comeback of fanny packs proves that practicality can indeed be stylish, offering a hands-free way to carry essentials while adding a retro-cool vibe to any outfit. Rediscovering boomer treasures. These boomer favorites are connecting different generations in exciting ways. Young people are discovering the charm of vinyl records, while grandparents share their gardening wisdom with eager millennials. These trends create shared experiences and spark conversations between people of all ages. They show us that good ideas and quality experiences stand the test of time. The revival of these classics brings a sense of nostalgia for some and a feeling of discovery for others. It's a reminder that we can always find common ground, even across generational lines. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.